I'm happy to meet you here in Jordan. This is Murshid Motel in the village, also named Murshid Village. I'm happy to see you. I am retired officer and I am lucky to meet American people. They are very nice.
I think we're lucky to meet you.
Okay, you are welcome anytime. Okay, you are welcome in my hotel.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Outside. From here, you can see place. That's place. See the mountain?
Yeah,
That's
where
place
we
village.
just walked from.
Just 6 kilometers. Directly you can go there, and also you can see the Palestine mountain from my hotel. You see that?
Yeah.
Yes. And Jordanian High behind this mountain and Yarmouk River and everything. This is a dam built in 1940, in 1984.
80, that's the year I was born.
Yes. Okay.
So it's 34 years old.
And okay, I have a garden here.
Yeah.
My hotel. To see.
Excellent. Thank you for the tour.
You come to Jordan, you will see many things absolutely very good in Jordan. Like people, they are very, very, very handsome, and you see many things, can give you many things in Jordan, help you. They are very, very people in Jordan.
So tell me, what does it mean to be a Jordanian?
Well, first you need to be very generous, and you have to be straightened up with your families, because it's not normal here in Jordan to live alone away from your family and not to get connected with them. Yeah, that's like sums up Jordanian life.